Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Maine's UST database. The first resource I wanted to show you is a blog post on Convenience Talk, and what this has is links to all the UST databases organized by state. So if you go down to Maine, over here, and click on this link, you'll end up on this site. And if you click Tank Reports, it'll take you down the page to this area. And so what I'm going to show you is TankSmart, the database, and I'm actually going to show you one report to show you what these PDFs sort of look like. And so when you go on the facility, this tank search page, you can see they're saying there's 43,000 registered storage tanks. And so I just put in March as a key term, and that brought up this page. And you can see facility name, I searched Mart. And so it says there's about 69 matches found, which isn't a lot, but I actually wanted to show you at least what this looks like. And I pulled up Albion Mini Mart as a facility. And you can see the facility use is retail oil. And you can see the contact name. You can see the owner information. And then the tank details down here. So you can also pull up the PDF, and this is what the PDF would look like for all the registered underground storage tanks, and you can see it's about 1,744 pages. That's it for Maine. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.